Hi, I'm Trawler Specialist Jeff Merrill. I'm going to give you a narrated tour of the 1986 Defever 53 Great Northern. Great Northern is boathouse stored in St. Helens, Oregon, near Portland. Side decks, little mark whip step area to get aboard. There are covered side decks on both sides, big windows, beautifully varnished cap rails outside, sliding door into the pilot house on both sides, dock box storage forward, anchor with windlass. This has all been repainted. There's seating also up here forward. And you can see there's big windows in the pilot house and a flybridge up above. Just doing a complete walk around the deck so you can get a feel for everything, how nice and clean it is. She's been all grip painted. We're up high off the water. It's a very dry boat. And you have a swim platform back aft with a ladder up so you can come in by tender. Good sized cockpit back here, upper aft deck, and then double doors into the salon. It's a very warm interior here with this Dickinson diesel heater. It also doubles as a range. We have an L-shaped settee on the port side, big dining table with folding leaves. There's the Dickinson, two lounge chairs forward. On the starboard side, there is a counter and then a stairway that goes down to the master stateroom and a nice office. The master stateroom also connects with the engine room. Beverage center, refrigerator, drinks, trash compactor, granite countertops in the galley, Kenmore propane stove, and a dual sink. We also have a sea freeze, custom refrigerator freezer, and the steps up to the flybridge. You notice that this is all on one level. There's a slight incline when you come into the pilot house, and you have electronics up in here with an overhead panel, and then nice seating. There's bench seating back here, big wheel, very nice visibility. You can come in the forward stairs down to the guest staterooms. Aft is a queen berth, island berth, little vanity with mirrors, and a head with a shower. And then up forward, V-berth, which also has its own head and shower. Chain locker all the way forward. And then we come back up the stairs into the pilot house, another view of the salon area, galley. Really good visibility, very nice big windows out here, and then a spiral staircase down to the master. The master is aft. Huge island berth, lots of storage lockers outboard, lots of air ventilation, opening port lights and hatches. It's about 6'4" headroom throughout the boat. Vacuum flush toilets, shower. Forward is the engine room, twin Caterpillars, been reserviced. Big Raycor filters, two generators, one outboard on the port side, and there's your hot water heater, Naiad Actifin stabilizers, bench with tool chests and tools. Another generator outboard on the starboard side. This whole engine room has been redone, like most of the boat. Coming up from the pilot house to the flybridge, tender all the way aft, life raft, storage lockers, canvas on the sides. That's the heater coming through. Barbecue. You have a nice fiberglass arch, and we have the radar on a hinge so it can come into this boathouse. Good bench seating up around here. In the flybridge, it's all covered. Helm chair, your controls. Really a beautiful boat. Thanks for taking a look at Great Northern. Better yet, let's get you on board if you'd like to see her. You can text or call my cell phone, 949-355-4950, or send an email to jeff.merrill@jmys.com. Hi, trawler fans. Thank you for watching the JMYS YouTube video channel. You can subscribe by clicking the button below. And if you'd like to watch one of our other listings or check out one of our other trawler skills videos, you can click on one of those on the side. Thanks, and we hope to see you back here again soon.